How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to the episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, we'll go over our dual memory half-octo surface mount. So for example, here is a red-blue half-half color option, an amber solid color option, and a green-clear alternating color option. But again, we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, solid, half-half, and alternating. Or you can use our Customize a Light Bar tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And you'll notice all of my units are on different flash patterns, but all of these units will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus dual memory. So let's go over that. So here I have Power Mode 1 activated with my red power cable. Now to activate Power Mode 2, I'll use my brown power cable. Now Power Mode 2 will override Power Mode 1 when both cables are activated, or you can activate your Power Mode 2 independently as well. Now these units have the ability to be programmed in sync, as you see here, or in alternate sync. Now while you're in alternate sync, you'll have 3 pattern speeds: slow, medium, and fast. And to change those, you'll use your yellow flash pattern cables. So here's slow, medium, and fast. And your alternate sync and sync functionality will work with your dual memory. And for a full demonstration of how to program your units in sync and alternate sync, check out our how-to video on the product page.